What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here, and today we're talking about solving equations with rational coefficients. And so, if you remember rational numbers, all rational numbers can be written as fractions, right? So that's why you see fractions in these problems. And a coefficient is just whatever is in front of the variable. So in that first one, it says 1/2 x, so 1/2 would be the coefficient. So a coefficient is the number in front. And so you know when you have a number and a variable next to each other, it means multiplication. Multiply. So, if you think about how solving a equation works, I'm going to draw my line for both of these. And when you have an equation, you do the opposite. And so since a coefficient means multiplication, for this first one, that says 1/2 times x. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing, so I need to divide by 1/2. But you need to think of how division of fractions work. Go watch the divide fractions video if you need to. Remember, you do keep, change, flip. You multiply by the fraction upside down. Because 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 2 is 2. So you end up with 2 over 2, meaning you have 1x left over. And then what you do to one side, you do to the other, right? So 2 over 1 is just 2, so I'm really just doing 3 times 2, which is 6, so x equals 6. And if you think about it, half of 6 is 3, so I know I'm correct. For the second problem, right, I did a fraction on both sides, so you can see it. I have 2/5 times x, so I'm going to multiply by the opposite, the inverse, which is 5/2, right? See, fraction upside down, it cancels out, and you have x left over. Go over here, right, times 5 over 2. Well, 1 times 5 is 5, and 3 times 2 is 6, and I cannot simplify that, so that is my answer, 5/6.